Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this active noise cancelling headphones. It is wireless also, and the company that brought it to us is called Srhythm. It is modeled NC25. It is Bluetooth 4.1, but it gives you a really good noise cancelling. So you can see that the box is really nicely designed, going around. It's just totally black. It has some information in the back that we want to cover in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you share this with your friends and family and click the notification icon so this way you're going to be notified once we have a brand new video out. Plus, click the like button. It really motivates us to bring these type of videos to you faster. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out quickly. Alright, so you can see that the box is really nicely designed, and once we open it, it has a nice cover, and that cover has a nice zipper around, so you have to open it. The components that are part of this is a user manual, which is very detailed. It has a lot of information in it, and it is in different languages. Plus, it comes with a little airplane adapter, so this way when you go on an airplane, you do not have to rent or purchase one. This would really help you out, so keep this with you. Also, it comes with an audio cable, or we call it auxiliary cable. This way, you're going to be able to use it if you don't want to use the Bluetooth part. Plus, it also comes with a micro USB connector, so that way you can charge the Bluetooth on this headphones. And the big moment is the headphones itself. And there you go. So this is the headphone. It is very nice and comfy, and it is foldable. So it does have some little parts that you can push it in and push it out. On top of that, the headphones itself is designed really nice. You can see that the name is written nicely on one side, and then going on the other side, it does have the model number and the inside of the headphones itself. And then going on the back part of it, you can see that it is matte finished, and it doesn't leave any kind of finger residue in the back. You do have some buttons there, which will be the volume down, volume up. You do have the active noise cancellation button. That way you can press it, the light will go green, and you can turn it off. And then right above it is where you're going to be able to turn on Bluetooth. Also, with that, you can play and pause the songs. And I want to mention that when you are using this, you will be able to use it roughly between 2 to 3 hours. And also, when you're not going to use it, it lasts up to 16 hours. If you turn it off, it will last you a lot longer. One more thing I want to mention is that the noise cancellation on this is very good, and the sound quality on this is not that bad. We try to play some songs, and we have a Note 9 which has Bluetooth 5.0 on that. But once we went inside and we turned on the Atmos settings, it got a lot better. And once we turned on the bass, it got even better. Alright, so enough about that. Let's go back about the headphones itself. You can see that the cushion that is sitting around your ear is very comfortable, so that way you can wear this for a lot longer. And inside of it, the cushion is not going to hurt your ear if you have a smaller ear. On top of that, the headphones itself has a little extraction, so that way you can make it bigger or smaller on both sides, so this way it will fit a bigger head. Also, you can see that the top part of it, it has to sit on your head. It is not going to hurt your head if you want to leave this for a little bit longer than expected. Another good part is that on each side you have a little lettering that says right or left. It says R, and the other side says L. It is really good headphones, and I would recommend everybody to purchase one of these. I will be placing some links in the bottom so you can order this from. Except that, I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is exitex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.